Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send Capcut video to Messenger. So it's very easy. All you have to do is create your Capcut video. This is for example a this one. After you completing your video, after you finish the editing of your video, you can export. So this exporting, it means download into your gallery of your phone, and then after the video is exporting and ready, the project has been saved into to the device and projects. You can share your video into Messenger by tap the others and try to use this one. You can tap on chat, Messenger chat, and send into one of your friend. So your video is sent to Messenger. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.